This is the elevator at H&M at the mall at UTC in Sarasota, Florida. Cobbling's not doing so well. It's Kone, EcoDisc. Let's go to 2. It's a different button for 2. And it almost looks like a ThyssenKrupp traditional phone button. Let's go back down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Wow, indicator took a while to change. Usually with Kone's, it's as soon as the elevator starts moving.
But I checked out. So I checked too. We were at like.
Well, as you saw, we rode up to 1, or we rode up to 2 with some people. We didn't quite finish our cab view. It's really interesting. The indicator should have changed by now. There we go. The inspection certificate is being held up to the wall with Scotch tape. And we're gonna end the video up at 2. It changes immediately going up. Kind of weird, but I guess the elevator. I was gonna say the indicator probably isn't the thing they should be worried about with the elevator. That first floor call button was a little worn. Anyway, that'll be it.